In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add departments in Gusto. This is an important task for organizing your employees more efficiently, especially as your team grows and your business operations become more complex. By setting up departments in Gusto, you streamline several aspects of your HR and payroll management, making it easier to categorize employees and track departmental budgets. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to ensure that you're logged into Gusto with an admin account because only admins have the permissions needed to make department changes. Once you've logged in successfully, direct your attention to the left-hand sidebar where you'll find a range of options. Here, you'll want to click on People. This section is your go-to hub for anything related to the employees in your organization. Upon entering the People section, navigate to the top of the page where you'll see a button labeled More. Clicking on this button will present you with a drop-down menu. From the list of options in this menu, select Departments. This is where you'll manage your existing departments and add new ones. Now, you're ready to create a new department. Look for the option that says Create a New Department and click on it. A form will pop up, and this is where you'll enter the name of the department you wish to add. Choosing an appropriate name is vital as it should clearly reflect the function or focus area of that team. It's helpful to have a consistent naming convention across your departments for easy identification and management. Once you've entered the department name, take a moment to double-check it for accuracy. Then go ahead and click Save. With this simple action, you've successfully created a new department within Gusto. Now, your team members can be assigned to this department, which will help in better organizing payroll runs and reports. It's important to note that you should tailor the department names to align with your specific organizational structure. Whether it's marketing, sales, engineering, or any other area, clear classification helps in efficient management and aids in strategic decision-making down the line. And there you have it. You've now understood how to add departments in Gusto, making your HR management a bit more streamlined. This feature not only organizes your team, but also enhances reporting and functionality across your business operations. Take advantage of this tool to stay organized and efficient as your business grows. Be sure to check out other Gusto features to further optimize your workflow. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.